You often ask yourself, why front row? And why am I in front row? Simply because we are the paragon of what network marketing should be. We are the bright beacon at the end of the tunnel. Just when everything else seemed to fail, front row is there. And will always be there to illuminate the way to financial brilliance. Sam and I have traveled great lengths to polish and uplift the face of network marketing. And why not? It is clearly evident when you see your image in the mirror. Truly, the face you see in the mirror is the instrument that will elevate and catapult your status to success. I am deeply interested on the dust that settles when worlds collide. And we, front row, are the product of those two worlds. The world of entrepreneurship and the world of glamour. And just like a peacock that loves to flaunt its colorful magnificence, you, front row, with your increasingly multiplying distributors, are now ready to soar high and take flight. We are not just standard. Front row is the gold standard. We have established ourselves as the trailblazer. We are blazing the trail for the Filipino families and soon the world. We will flaunt all our achievements and success and let everyone else take their cue and admire front row from a distance. We are definitely in front. We trailblaze, we innovate, we lead. And the others not only follow, but imitate. If imitation is a form of flattery, then my ego will be as big as China. For the others have given front row much admiration and accolades. They end up uttering not words, but just in their minds, sana nasa front row na lang ako.